All right, good morning. I'm having a little breakfast. I got some orange juice here and some bacon. I didn't care about the eggs. Now this is how you cook your bacon right here. Okay. Anyway, I made this video yesterday about Ted Cruz, how he should resign today. And a lot of my Republican friends, they got kind of upset about that. Well, I think Ted Cruz should resign. He should have resigned it yesterday. So, like I said, I don't care too much about this political game. Certain people I would not vote for, regardless, because I've done my research and I just don't care about these people. And Biden is one of them, and Ted Cruz is the other one. You know what Ted Cruz should have done if he wanted to be politically correct? Yes, what they say, put God first, family second, and put others third. But yes, he went to Cancun. That's fine. What he should have did, just stayed in Cancun. Stay until the 23rd like he planned on doing it. Drink you a few margaritas. But when he logged on, he saw all of this stuff going on Twitter. And the thing about it is that his friends, the ones that started this. You know, people hate on you, man. You know, it could be your family and friends. They're going to hate on you. So if you didn't take them, oh, yeah, they're going to throw something out there at you. So he came back. He should have stayed and finished his vacation. And he should have stayed. And then when he came back, the only thing he had to do was say, I'm sorry, apologize. I made a mistake, and go on about your business. But what he did, he opened his mouth and he started talking. He wanted to make sure his daughters and stuff were safe and so forth. That's fine. But like I said, I don't think you just had to do like the other politicians do. Just apologize and go on about their business. But Ted Cruz, he wanted to pull the green eggs and ham. I don't know if you guys seen this video. I don't know if it was 7, 8 years ago, but where he got in front of the Senate and he started reading the green eggs and ham. Check it out. I thought it was funny, man. I never seen it before. I've heard about it, but I'm gonna let you guys see it. If you haven't seen it, here it go right here. But anyway, I got things to do today. And you guys enjoy your day and go help somebody. All right, thank you, and check out this video.
I love this story, and so I'm going to read it to you. Sam I am. That Sam I am, that Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox? Not in a box, not with a fox. Not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching. Welding and stuff.